Yo, what's going on guys, it's me Saucy, and in today's video we're going to be seeing how the GoPro Hero 4 performs in 2020. We're going to be doing things such as looking at the video quality, looking at the features, testing the audio quality, and seeing how it performs in low light situations. So without further ado, let's head right into the review. Alright guys, so yeah, this is pretty much how the camera looks from the outside. You know, it's the same regular GoPro Hero 4 design. You got the power button on the front, on the back you got the touch screen, which is really cool about this because this actually does have a touch screen. Even though it is kind of old, it works fine for me. So yeah, you put the SD card on the side, there's a charging cable. The record button is on top right over here. Lens right there. There's a little screen right there. If you're not able to access the touchscreen, you can see the options from this screen. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm going to show you like all the settings and stuff in a bit. So yeah, let me get to that. Alright, so to turn on the camera, all you gotta do is press the button in front and yeah, it turns on. So if you're going to use a touchscreen, you know, it is a little small, but I do have 4 hours recording time. I told you on top how much how many hours of your time you have left on your SD card. So yeah, I set it to 1080p wide, so you guys can see, you guys can change the settings on the touchscreen right over here, which is really cool. So as you can see, I just swiped up and there's different modes. So there's the time-lapse, video plus photo, and looping. So that's pretty cool. And it's touchscreen. It's not the most responsive, but you know, it is what it is because it did come out a long time ago. So yeah, so the resolution, you have 1080p, 1440p, 2.7K, 4K, 1080p Super View, 960, 720, 720 Super View, and WVGA. So you got all these modes, and at the time, you know, it was really cool because you weren't able to have all these modes in such a small, you know, camera like this. And I'm actually able to record 1080p at 60 FPS on this, which is really cool because, you know, again, this is an old camera and it's this small. You know, you're able to record this kind of quality on this camera. It's just amazing. And yeah, so for the field of view, well, for my settings, so I have 1080p at 60 FPS. I'm able to change the field of view. So if I want to have medium, you know, linear. I mean, I prefer, if you're gonna go for like a vlogging style, I would prefer linear because it's just better. But yeah, I'm sorry if the screen is getting a little bright. It's just, you know, it's how it is. So yeah, there's a low light. You can change that, spot meter, and protein. So I have them all turned on because why not? So yeah, there's a white balance, color, GoPro, flat. You can change the color whatever you want. And there's a shutter, ISO, sharpness. So these are all just, you know, camera options and stuff you can do. So it's really cool that you're able to do all this in small, compact, you know, action camera. It's really cool. So you guys can like set up burst, single, video. You can see all these modes, and it's really cool because I can actually hook this up to my phone. You see, there's a wireless option right here. I can actually turn it on, connect it to my phone. So it's really cool. I'm able to do this through Bluetooth and just the internet. So yeah, this is really cool. I can, you know, turn on the camera, turn off the camera. Start the video, look at my files through my phone, which is really cool. So you guys can see, you can also change the date and time, you know, all the screen settings right over here. It's really cool. I mean, this is a decent camera for, I mean, the time and just the size of this and like the price. I mean, right now you can get this camera for such a good price because it's a little outdated because there are other GoPros out there. So yeah, you guys tell me what you think about the video quality. And yeah, the microphone I heard on this is actually really good too for all the other, you know, action cameras out there. And yeah, you guys tell me what you think about this. Alright, so I'm currently using the mic that's in the GoPro, and the settings that I just showed you earlier, 1080p, linear, low light, and all that stuff is turned on. You guys saw what I had just in the clip before. So yeah, this is how my keyboard looks. This is just a quick, you know, little setup thing. I don't know if you guys were able to see it or how clear it looks. I've never seen this myself yet until I edit it. So, you know, you guys tell me what you think about this quality, about this mic quality. And yeah, you guys can see my PC right over here. I'm sorry about the wires. I'm not that you know, crazy about that stuff. But yeah, I got my Arizona iced tea. and I got, you know, my AirPod right here, got my Surface Pro. You guys tell me what you think about it. If you're gonna vlog, you know, this is pretty much how it's gonna look. If you want like a consistent 1080p 60 FPS, this is how it's gonna look. Got my mouse pad, my monitor, and yes, you know, here's my phone. You guys tell me what you think about it. If you guys like it, make sure to comment down below how you think it looks. But yeah, I mean, this is what you're gonna get, so you guys tell me what you think. And this is the same exact setup. I haven't changed anything, moved anything. You know, I'm not able to see my computer anymore because it is under my desk, and I guess the low light doesn't really work in that part. But yeah, so this is my keyboard, this is my monitor. I don't know how clear it looks or how crisp it is. It's my mouse right over here. Yeah, I mean, my laptop, I don't really know what else there is to this, but yeah, you guys tell me what you think about the quality, how it looks in low light situations. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. It would mean the world to me. But yeah, before I end the video, I just want to let you guys know that I do have my own merch. I did put a lot of time and effort into it, so if you guys could please check it out, I'll leave a link down in the description below. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna head out. So anyways guys, peace.